Hi, myself Mukesh Sunagra, founder and CEO of Max Lubricants. At Max Lubricants, we manufacture all types of automotive and industrial lubricants such as engine oil, gear oil, hydraulic oil, transmission oil, brake oil, and coolants. We have a complete range starting from two-wheeler to truck. At Max Lubricant, we manufacture all our products under the brand name of Dr. Max, wherein we believe in maximum quality, maximum power. That's why all our products are manufactured from 100% virgin base oil of Group 2 and Group 3 category. We never use any refined oil or any reprocessed oil in our products. We follow strictly API standards, which is laid down by American Petroleum Institute. So we never compromise on additives or any of the raw material in our product. At Max Lubricants, we believe in quality and we always try to give maximum quality at reasonable price. Currently, we sell our product across India in different states like Assam, Gujarat, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and MP. We are planning to expand pan-India with the help of like-minded distributors and team of salespersons. It is our vision to build a team of 1,000 strong distributor across India and achieve a 1,000 crore sales by 2030. And currently we are having a production capacity of 40,000 liters per day, but we are coming up with a new state-of-the-art manufacturing facility by 2025, wherein we will have manufacturing capacity of 2 lakh liters per day. So this is all about Max Lubricants, and we invite like-minded sales professional and distributor across India to be a part of this winning team and achieve the goal of building wealth. Thank you.